Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix exit log. It's not working. So if exit log isn't working properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several simple ways to fix the most common exit log problems, including high ping, log spikes, routes not applying, or games not being optimized. So if you want to try exit log with 1 year 50% discount, check out the link in the description below and let's get started. At first, make sure exit log is turned on. Open exit log and make sure the switch at the top right left corner is turned on right here. And also check that you've selected the correct game and click apply routes before launching it. Second is restart your game. So I'm going to try a game here. So like for example, it's Valorant. Select it. So if your game was already open before you select the routes, close it completely, then click the apply routes right here at the right side corner and you can launch the game. You can also click re-optimize button, then let's exit log search for a better route based on your current connection. Then you can also try to change your server. So if you're using manual server, try switching it to automatic. But if you're already on automatic and still have issues, you can test a different server to see if your connection improves. Like I'm using Asia right here and I'm going to change it into Europe or South America to test if it has some changes. Now going back, you have to open the advanced settings. So if you change the TCP or UDP routes, try changing them back to the default values for your game. Also, use the local routes first turned off unless you're testing your connections. Next is run exit log as administrator. You have to close exit log and then right click the exit log icon and choose run as administrator. Then after that, apply the routes again and you can launch your game. You can also restart your internet, restart your modem or router. Once your internet is back, open exit log again and you can test your game. Next is update the exit log. That make sure you're using the latest version of exit log. So if you're already updated with the problems continues, try reinstalling the program. And you can also check your firewall or antivirus. Sometimes Windows firewall or your antivirus can block exit log. Make sure exit log is allowed through your security settings. And lastly, check if the game server is having issues. If you tried everything and the problem is still there, the issue may be with the different game servers or your internet provider. So remember, exit log can provide your network route, but it can't fix server outages. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these solutions help your exit log issue. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more exit log tutorials and gaming tips. And if you'd like to try exit log with 1 year 50% discount, be sure to check out the link in the description. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.